This is an age-old argument. Actually, it's not an age-old argument, but it's an argument. And I like arguments or debates.
Yes.
Free weights versus machines for chest. What do you think to that?
Free weights as in dumbbells or in barbell?
Let's use both as an
Okay,
example.
so for me, dumbbells for a beginner are better because you're going to activate all the supporting muscles. So you're going to need to activate those because when you first get on there, you're going to be shaking. That's all the supporting muscles that are not strong enough.
To help stabilize the joint.
So I would say, as a beginner, do more free weight. But as you get bigger and bigger and bigger, and you want to refine your physique, I think there's a time and place for machines and for free weight. Like I did machine first as a press because I don't want to end up pulling a joint or pulling a muscle. So if I'm fixed in a position, I can progress in a lift.
After you've paid your dues, though.
After my payments, like I said, you have to build your foundation. It's like building a house. You're not going to build it on the tiny little bricks. You're going to build it on a foundation, okay? And then you start putting the brickwork. So it's the same as a body. Build the foundation and then start shaping it with brickwork, which is kind of what
So nowadays you see a lot of young lads, especially, and they're using cables
to start with
to train chest. Have you seen that shit?
Yes, all the shit that
it's
they
all
do,
over TikTok right now. And I've been banned 18 times on TikTok.
They're trying to refine a physique when they haven't even gotten a physique.
Yes.
So it just makes no sense.
Exactly.
But they're only doing it to sell a package and make it look like they know something that someone else don't. But they don't. It's kind of like, it's wishy-washy. It's a load of bollocks.
Do you know what it is? Here's the thing, right? You might know this as well. The basics is boring. It's boring to teach. It's sometimes boring to do.
That's why they don't want to do it.
People, and that's why they don't want to do it. That's exactly right. So imagine, like I always hammer at home about the incline bench press, right? I did another video today about incline bench press. It's probably my 5th tutorial about incline bench press.
Yeah.
But the truth is, I always do it. I keep doing it. And if you want a good chest, you have to incline bench.
Yeah.
Later on, you can do other stuff.
Yeah.
But for me, like I said, I'm at a stage where I'm happy to just do the basics. And if I've got to pick one thing to do, I'll do the incline bench because I'm covering all bases. Yeah. I'm covering shoulder mobility, stability, and strength. I'm covering everything in one.
That's what you'll find, what you're saying earlier. Most coaches, these coaches, try to sell this amazing workouts to sell something. But the matter is, the basic stuff works. Stay with that for the first couple years, then start refining it, changing up the workouts, have a bit of fun with it, but stick to the basics, build the foundation. Once you've got that foundation, then you could do all the special techniques and all that.
I always say this as well. You know, remember Men's Health magazine?
Yeah.
Back in the days, that was one of the first magazines I used to buy, right?
Yeah.
Now, we know when it comes to chest training, back training, leg training, you could fit everything in one magazine. That would be it. It'd be like the encyclopedia.
Boring, right?
Yeah, exactly. But then how would you sell the next month's issue?
But Men's Health was
or
always
March's issue, or May's issue.
Men's Health to me was always one opinion versus another opinion.
Yeah.
There was no real answer.
No, there wasn't. No,
it was
true,
just
true.
opinion and opinions.
Yeah.
But that's just like today, what we're saying. It's opinions.
Yeah, exactly. Look, maybe we don't know the answer to it, but I'll tell you something.
We
know a hell of a lot more.
Proof's in the pudding.
Yeah, exactly.
Proof's in the pudding.
We're going to say you're going to know a hell of a lot more because we've built it.
Yeah, exactly.
So if you can follow guys who you think that they know more, or they're more technologically and more advanced because of the way they use. You know what they call this region nowadays? We used to call it upper chest. You know what they call it now?
What?
Clavicular.
Oh, for fuck.
The upper clavicular. I swear to
sake.
God, I'm not even joking, bro. This is actually legit. I was on TikTok and someone said you need to train your upper clavicular motion. I was like, what are you on about, bro? Ridiculous. I don't even want to say it. We can't swear on YouTube, bro. We can't swear on YouTube. But I am just as annoyed.
Like I say,
I get aggravated.
And then when you look at the person that says that,
hasn't got
look at their chest.
And where's his clavicular?
And there's your answer.
That's why they call it clavicular because there's no chest there, bro.
I ain't got a chest, so it's I can't even say it.
Clavicular.
I can't even say it.
I'm about to. This is a new word for me, bro. I didn't even know it was a thing.
Listen, get in the gym, work hard, build a chest.
Dumbbells, barbells to start with, and then machines.
If you need to at the back end of a workout. That's what I say. I would do like the special technique ones at the end of a session when chest has been used.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you're wasting your energy on these stupid movements and not building any muscle when you might as well come in and do the heavy stuff first. All the compound.
Time is money, guys. Yeah. Remember, if you're in the gym spending time, you make sure you do the most effective
Yeah, and if you're doing chest once a week, you've only got 52 chest sessions a year if you go every week. So normally, but normally, say like you have a few weeks off in the whole year, so that's 48, 49 chest sessions. They all count.
You break it down like that.
Yeah.
It's not a lot, is it?
No.
Think about it, it's not a lot. So,
Not a lot in a year, is it?
Not a lot.
So you've got to make everyone count. Yeah. None of this wishy-washy stuff. Come in, break down the muscle, refuel it, grow some titties, you know what I mean, huh?